Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna to show you how to stop hair fall and strengthen your hair naturally at home using two powerful ingredients. You probably already have clove and rosemary. Okay, let's talk about the benefits of cloves and rosemary for your hair. Okay, first let's see the importance of or the benefits of cloves. Cloves contains agenol, which boosts blood circulation in the scalp. It strengthens hair strands and reduces breakage. It fights dandruff and soothes anti-itchy scalp, and also has antioxidants that may help slow down graying. It also promotes shiny, smooth and healthy hair. Rosemary oil improves blood circulation to the scalp, helping hair grow stronger. It may block DHT, which is known as dihydrotestosterone, a hormone linked to male pattern baldness. And also it reduces inflammation and dandruff. It works just as effectively as hair growth medications like minoxidil. As you know, minoxidil is a product which prevents hair fall and boosts your hair. So rosemary acts like a minoxidil. If you use rosemary, you can get the benefits of minoxidil. Not only this, rosemary soothes the scalp and supports hair thickness and regrowth. Okay, here is what you will need to make this dye hairspray. The first one, 3 up to 4 spoons of cloves, whether it is powdered or whole. 5 up to 6 spoons of rosemary, dried or fresh. Boiled water, 1 up to 2 cups, and also a dish and a spoon. Not only this, spray bottle is also needed, which is used to spray the mixture after you prepare it. Okay, now let's make it. Follow the instruction. Add the rosemary and clove to your dish. Pour in the boiled water about 1 to 2 cups. Stir it well and let the mixture sit and infuse for 24 to 48 hours. After that, strain it and pour the liquid into your spray bottle. Now it's ready to use. Let's use it and spray it gently onto your scalp and hair roots twice a day, once in the morning and once at night, and massage it into your scalp for a few minutes to boost circulation and absorption. Be careful to use this product consistently. Use this spray daily for at least 3 months and you will start to notice stronger, healthier and thicker hair. So that's it, friends. Simple, natural and powerful remedy to reduce hair fall and promotes healthy hair growth from home. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. See you in the next video.